sorry.
Hello, Michael.
L. Yeah, that's it. Maybe I'll actually practice. Maybe that's the secret.
What's good, Ari's channel? Welcome to Nationals 2022.
Oh, Jody. We're in this awesome big venue. We've got 3x3 up first. Just finished multi-blind, so let's get into it. I'm here with the former 2x2 OCR holder.
Still national record.
Still national record. I've got a question for you. Who do you think will get second for Megamix?
Oh. I'm gonna go with Riley Dexter on that one.
Riley, okay, okay. All right, we will see tomorrow.
We will. Can't wait.
I'm not sure if you can notice this, but I'm pretty sure Jody shaved his legs just for this event. If you look really closely, it just helps with the aerodynamics when you're turning the cube so fast, just the air and the wind and everything. So it may only shave off, see what I did there? It may only shave off like half a second, but sometimes half a second is the difference between podiuming and not podiuming, and Jody knows that. I think he missed a spot on his right shin. If you just want to zoom into the right, that's going to cost him a bit. It's really going to cost him. But hey, he'll learn from the experience. That's all we can say.
I'm here with the one and only Charlie Eggins, or Egnix.
Yes,
And
that is me.
Yes, congratulations on winning multi-blind.
Thank you. Nice. Very unexpected.
Just finished the morning's worth of 3x3 and 7x7 and pyramids and things. Now off to lunch. How'd you guys all go?
Bad.
Cool.
Meh.
All right, time to go get some burgers and then head back to the venue.
Hi, it's me, Michael Tripodi, and I stink.
Hey, it's me, Zaid Chowdhury, and I practice clock. It's okay, no harm, no foul.
I haven't spoken to you much today. How have you been? No, I'm not advertising for that.
It's Ionic.
Guess who I found?
Yo, what's up, Raph?
Yeah, Team SDS.
That's right.
Yeah,
that's right.
I think we're one of the only few people aside from Jody
Yes.
here. So
There we go.
Very cool. I haven't met you before.
No, we haven't met yet.
No. Where are you from again?
Adelaide?
Adelaide.
Yes.
Right.
We
How was
flew-
the trip up here?
Yeah, we flew down yesterday. It was a 3.5-hour flight, and we spent most of the first day just going at Perth. And now we're here for the comp, and I'm so excited.
Awesome. Am I in focus? I'm in focus. This 2x2 average will be a boba tea review from some random place down the street where I also ate a burger from. Also say hi, I'm doing a review. Lean into the, he's here. This is a matcha tea with taro with no sugar and less ice. It's interesting.
Still intact.
Yeah! It went all the way.
It was on the edge. It was 10 pounds, and then it...
New way to solve 2x2, I think. I feel like the no sugar was a bad choice on my end. Usually I take no sugar, but this one is really just kind of mild flavor. You can barely tell it's like the matcha thing.
Yeah, it was candy.
Oh cool, I forgot how to do Ortega. That's a 3x3 solve time. Nope, it is very just mild flavored water, I think, at this point. I think my conclusion for this bubble tea review is that and that concludes the bubble tea review.
I am happy.
Happy?
Just kidding.
I am happy. No. Charlie Egan.
Say it again.
Charlie Egan.
Say it again.
Charlie Egan.
What number are you?
I'm right here.
Oh, this one.
Station 30.
Oh, no, I'll just say ready now.
I don't know why I chose to do this event. Oh, yeah, tips last. Do I remember how to do this step?
Oh, right, yeah.
Yay!
And I can hear it.
Welcome to Australian National Champion 2025. This is Ari is snoring. I am Ari is snoring.
Okay.
Okay, we are now starting 4x4 Group 4. If you're in Group 4, can everybody please come to the green stage?
This is the new venue for Nationals 2020 760 2005.
Sorry, Melbourne house pricing has got me like...
Give us an MTV Cribs tour.
Alright, first of all, we don't have any lights, couldn't afford it. Second of all, at least we got blankets. Blankets on the whole house. Everything's reachable. I mean, we've got a really tall ceiling, but no front door, so not really any privacy. No toilet, but at least you can kind of...
Where'd he go?
And this is where you sleep.
What would you rate your Airbnb stay out of 5?
It's still 200 a night. Like, what the heck?
Jay, how are you going?
I'm going.
Going?
I sure am going.
Yeah. How have your solves gone so far?
I got a 6.5 and 3x3 with backsoon PLL skip because I'm very good at turning and F12. I think it ended up being like low 8 average, so I don't know. And I popped twice on the last 7x7 solve.
Oh.
It was on the first 2 moves. Like the center comes out, I'm just like, yeah, this will be good.
How am I going? I am taking the L.
Cut off.
We're still short of 2 judges in the yellow zone.
How are you two going?
We're going okay. It's been a day of very mixed results. Yeah, just lots of ups and downs. But I mean, I guess that's what cubing is like. It's a lot like life,
You guys
really.
are too tall.
You just gotta accept the highs and the lows.
Have you gone?
Very well.
Very well?
Actually, I'm very bad.
Very bad. That's a
By
little bit-
very well, she means very bad. Oh, like, fun fact. So 100 people make it into round 2 for 3x3, right?
Yes.
This girl is 100th place.
Oh, nice. Another round of 3x3.
Like literally on the very line. I think it's got potential. This is video.
-0 as a time.
I don't get it.
Yeah, that's valid.
When life gives you lemons, you should just like kiss them.
That's a very Jody answer, I reckon. He's rubbing off on you.
No, Jody's rubbing off on me. No.
Subscribe to Ari is Sleeping on YouTube and Jody Brewster on YouTube and dislike all of his videos.